Hello students, you are most welcome in my class 10th math, and today my chapter is quadratic equations. तो first of all we study quadratic polynomials. तो quadratic polynomial हम study करते हैं. Quadratic polynomials. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. तो जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेटिक polynomial, जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेटिक polynomial. General form of a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0 and a, b and c, a, b, comma c are real constants, are real values, real numbers. रियल नंबर्स. तो इन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी स्टडी क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल्स. तो एंड ए पॉलिनोमियल whose degree is 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So this is a quadratic general form of a quadratic polynomial in variable x, where a not equal to 0 and a, comma b and c are real constants. So we know general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Now we have next topic of this chapter, zeros of a quadratic polynomials. Zeros of a quadratic polynomials. Zeros of a quadratic polynomials. तो एग्जाम्पल हम कंसीडर करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट, लेट px is equal to x square minus 4. We let us put then x equal to 2, that is p2. x की प्लेस पर 2 पुट कर देंगे, तो 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इक्वल टू 4 माइनस 4 इक्वल टू 0. Therefore 2 is x equal to 2 is one of the zero of the quadratic polynomials. Given quadratic polynomial, x equal to 2. By putting x equal to 2, we have 2 square minus 4 equal to 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 2 is one of the zero of the given quadratic polynomial. Given quadratic polynomial means given quadratic polynomial x square minus 4. So 2 is 0 of this polynomial. Now we have putting at x equal to minus 2. We have p minus 2, that is minus 2 whole square minus 4 equal to 2 minus 2 whole square 4 minus 4 0. So minus 2 is x equal to minus 2 is another zeros of quadratic polynomial x square minus 4. x square minus 4 given quadratic polynomial. तो we find zeros of quadratic polynomials. We find the method, or if we factorize this, we have two factors, x minus 2, x plus 2. If we factorize x square minus 4, we have two factors, x minus 2 and x plus 2. And putting x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2, x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. Therefore, we have two zeros, 2 comma minus 2 are zeros of this quadratic polynomial. If we have given a quadratic or cubic polynomial or linear polynomial and we find out zeros, then we factorize that polynomial and put the factors equal to 0, then find the different value of variables. It is zeros of quadratic polynomials. Now we have come to the next topic, quadratic equation. Quadratic equations. We have now, our topic is quadratic equation. So a polynomial px equal to 0. A polynomial px equal to 0 where px is a quadratic polynomial is called a quadratic equation. A polynomial px is equal to 0 where px is a quadratic polynomial is called a quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is the general and important form. General form of a quadratic equation. Equations is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a not equal to 0 and a comma b comma c are real values, real numbers. So the most important form of quadratic equation is general form. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a not equal to 0, a, b, c are real numbers. It is quadratic equation in variable x. It is highest degree is 2. So now we solve some questions of NCERT books exercise. Find whether the given polynomial are quadratic or not. So we have questions now. Exercise 4.1. ये आपका चैप्टर 4 है, quadratic equations. तो क्वेश्चन है check whether the following are quadratic equations. First question is check whether the following are quadratic equations. ये जो क्वेश्चन हम लिख रहे हैं ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस हैं कि नहीं. तो वी हैव ए क्वेश्चन 2x minus 1 x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5. Second part on x minus 1. We solve it. We multiply it. By multiplying we get 2x square minus 6x minus x minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 is equal to x into x square x into minus 1 minus x plus 5x minus 5. तो x ट्रांसपोज करते हैं वैल्यूज को, therefore 2x square minus x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 होते हैं minus 6x minus 7x minus x plus 5x, it is 4x, here minus 4x plus 3 plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 11x plus 8 equal to 0. Hence, it is a quadratic equation because its highest degree is 2. its the highest degree of this polynomial is 2, hence it is a quadratic equation. तो given polynomials को we solve the given polynomials. If it has highest degree is 2, then it is a quadratic equation, otherwise not. If it is linear, it is cubic, then it is not a quadratic equation. So by solving we have x square minus 11x plus 8. The highest degree of this polynomial is 2, hence it is a quadratic equation. Thank you, students.